Happy hump day, everyone. It's Carolyn. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the last episode of my spring cleaning series, and I'm tackling both of my kids' rooms. I saved these rooms for last because since they're so small, we keep them pretty minimal and they're pretty easy to clean. So I'm really excited that today is a collaboration with my friend on YouTube, Shauna Ray. I will leave her video and channel linked in the description box. We're both working moms, and she has a 1-year-old son, and she is going to be doing a spring cleaning of his room today. So make sure you check out her video after you are done watching mine and let her know that I sent you over. So I'm starting with the ceiling fan in my son's room, and I'm using my pillowcase technique to get the majority of the dust off, and then I'm going to wipe it down with some all-purpose spray. Next, I'm going to remove all the bedding in both of my kids' cribs so that I can wash everything. And then I'm going to use this Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the Bluebell scent to wipe down everything in their rooms. And it smells so fresh and springy. I'm really glad that I used this scent.
When you're miles away, yeah, you can make it shine when the whole world rains. Always on my mind, always in my brain. With you the days are long and the nights are late.
Since this is a deep spring cleaning, I am going to use hot water to wash everything. I love this Dreft detergent. It just smells so good. And then I add a little bit of my Lysol laundry sanitizer, again, since this is a deep cleaning. I don't use this in every load. I'm just really trying to get rid of all the winter germs in my house.
No, nothing's gonna make me forget. And I don't think I want to forget anyway,
Next, I'm going to just continue to wipe down all the surfaces in his room. I'm going to use this Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray and then the Method Gloss and Surface Spray for his mirror. And it's a little bittersweet watching all of this footage because this is probably the last time that I'll be doing a deep cleaning of his crib, because we are actually going to be transitioning him to a big boy bed really soon.
Forget anyway, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. Yeah, I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah.
Now I'm just going to be wiping down the windows and the windowsills with this Method Glass and Surface Spray again. And then I do like to use paper towels when I do my windows and mirrors. I think it leaves less streaks.
Wanted it to hurt, so wrong of me to cross that line. If I could, I would push rewind. It's my fault, I'll give you my heart, you can crush it, moving on. I'll be on my way if you want.
If you've seen my other videos, you know I go section by section moving and cleaning behind all of the furniture. So I'm just starting by moving his dresser, wiping down all the trim and the baseboards. I'm doing a little dance here because my son is now potty trained and I can donate his diaper genie. Then I'm just going to vacuum the carpet and then move the furniture back, and then I'll just continue doing this around the room. Sorry that some of the angles of these shots aren't very good. My son's room is really small, so it's hard to get a good angle in doing some of these things. I'm going to use my lint roller just to quickly get rid of any dust on his little rocking chair here.
Yes, I am waving the white flag. I surrender to you.
finish up by wiping down all the decor on his walls.
I'm waving the white flag. I'm waving the white flag.
Now I'm just going to be repeating the same process in my daughter's room. So I'm just going to be wiping everything down with the same all-purpose spray and the same glass and surface cleaner.
I surrender to you. I'm waving the white flag. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag.
Next, I'm just cleaning out this drawer under my daughter's crib. I love the fact that this crib has storage. It's so handy. Now I'm going to be doing the same process again of moving all the furniture in sections, wiping down the baseboards and the radiator, and then since she has hardwood floors in her room, after I vacuum, I'm going to mop that section of flooring before moving the furniture back. I'm going to clean all the windows in her room with the glass and surface cleaner, and again, I'm using paper towels. I do think that I'm going to be putting up some curtains in her room soon. If you have any suggestions on where to get a really pretty pair of pink curtains, please let me know in the comments. Here is my daughter making a little cameo as I'm finishing up cleaning her room. Does anyone else think that they burn just as many calories cleaning as they do going to the gym? I mean, moving all this furniture had me so tired after I was done. Then I'm going to be cleaning underneath her rug, so I just flipped it halfway over and vacuumed and mopped under both sides. Now that all the bedding is done being washed and dried, I'm just going to be putting their mattress protectors and their sheets back on both of their crib mattresses. I'm using my heavy-duty Shark vacuum to vacuum her rug since this pattern is raised, so it doesn't really get vacuumed well using my cordless Dyson. Alright everyone, so that is going to conclude my spring cleaning series. I hope that it motivated you to tackle your spring cleaning checklist. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to check out my friend Shauna's video. It's going to be linked in the description box. I will see you with a new video on Sunday. Bye!